Morning team, Gavin here from Growing Younger, and I'm making a very simple, high protein breakfast, a normal breakfast that anyone can enjoy without stressing about this, okay? So as you know, I've lost over 20 kilos, I've kept that off for 15 years now, and weight loss for me really is what I love to talk about. And when I'm in the kitchen making things, I've always got, how can I make this low calorie? How can I make this filling? That's kind of how I do it, and I've been doing it for 15 years, and it works pretty well. And I generally eat very normal foods, okay? So I'm not really like, gotta be quinoa and all that other like health foods that people think is healthy. But I do like low calories and I do eat very normally, okay? So I'm gonna make today crumpets with some high protein yogurt next to it, okay? I'm gonna use butter and jam. I'm gonna make sure that anyone can enjoy, and it's nice and simple. So you don't have to think that if you're trying to lose weight, you've got to be on these crazy other recipes that nobody really wants, and you can eat this with your family. Everyone can eat this stuff. It's not sort of the special in the corner kind of meals, okay? So we're gonna go crumpets. These little bad boys you can get from Countdown. They are 100 calories per crumpet, okay? Then you got this high protein yogurt, which I love this. This is an absolute staple for me, okay? Very difficult to overeat this stuff. And for one serve, which is 180 grams, there's 14 or 15 grams of protein and 108 calories, okay? Really good. And then what I'm gonna do then is gonna add some my Nutritech NutriWhey to the yogurt to give it a boost of protein. And I'm also gonna use strawberry jam and some butter. This isn't like sugar-free strawberry jam, it's normal regular strawberry jam. And the butter is butter, okay? So let's get this going. Pop these in the toaster, crack it down, and I like to take it on super full to make them super crunchy. Now, I'm gonna prepare the yogurt. You need a scales. I'm not getting all pedantic and all that other good stuff and you got an eating disorder because you're weighing out your meals. I'm not. I'm just weighing the portion size because you've got no idea what 180 grams of yogurt looks like. You've got no idea what 10 grams of butter looks like. So this is going to give you an eyeball. It's simple, doesn't take any time. I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? First of all, you put the yogurt on the scales and you rip off the lid. You can give it a little lick if you want, okay? And you put the scale and it now shows 0. Get my bowl and I'm going to put 180 grams into that. So I take 1 scoop, 50 grams, 100 grams, 154 grams, 180, including what's left on the spoon. Okay, now we've done that. Then I'm going to do is I'm going to get my whey protein. And the whey protein, I'm not going to weigh, okay, because there's a handy little scoop in there. So I take 1 big scoop, scrape it across the side, and you've got a nice big scoop of protein. And you pop that into the yogurt, okay? And then what you do, you just mix the little bad boy together, okay? And you keep doing that until it's obviously, you know, mixed in really well. You don't want clumps of powder. It doesn't taste very nice at all. And one thing that I've started doing recently, and it's been really good actually, a really nice ad as well, is that I've been buying these apple slices from the supermarket. Now these are awesome. So per serve, you gotta look per serve, okay? It is 36 calories per 125 grams. I've already got some, okay? Pop that on the scales, take the lid off. What did I say it was? 125 grams, okay? So I get a clean spoon for this one, and you just take 125 grams out. 135 on the knuckle. So I've got a delicious bowl of protein yogurt with some apples. Now, what is really good about this is that you need low calorie, high voluminous foods, okay? And with 36 calories gives you 125 grams of food. So this is a lot of food, okay? This probably could be your breakfast on its own if you want it to be. and it's absolutely fine. Very normal, keep you full, very low in calories. And I'll put the calories up on the screen as I go through it. Now my crumpets are about to pop, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okie dokie, there they go, crumpets, loving it. Okay, so now what you do, again, you get the butter, pop it on the scales, and you press 0. And this is no effort, guys. You don't have to like make a big song and dance about this. It's already on the bench top anyway. Just pop it on the scales. I'm going to use a spoon again. And like all I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 80 grams, oh sorry, probably about 5 grams of butter, because that is about, I don't know, about 40 calories, maybe 50 calories, okay? It's quite a lot. So when I take a little spoonful, that is 5 grams of butter. It's not that much. But then what I do is I'm going to put it on one crumpet with a spoon. I'm going to chop it in half and put the other half on the other crumpet and use the back of the spoon and spread that around. So that's a good way to not overdo the butter, because it's very high in calories, very high in fat, okay? Then I'm going to get my jam, and again, I don't really weigh the jam out normally because I don't use that much of it. But I pop it on the scales, 0 it again, and then take 8 grams. That's all it is. Put it on the crumpet, split it in half, and then mix it all around. And there you go. I've got now crumpets, jam, and butter, and a really high protein bowl of apples and yogurt. So that's how easy it is to make a healthy breakfast. Now I'm recording as well. I'm talking. It wouldn't take me this long. It's only been going 5 minutes, but like, if you haven't got one of these on your bench top, you need to get one, because you've got no idea what serving sizes are or how much calories they are. And if you really want to lose weight in 2024 or whenever, you've got to understand the calories. First thing you do is read the labels on the back. Understand that this is not a serve. This is actually 3 servings, okay? And each serve is 125 grams. You've got to know that. You know, I can do this all day with everything, peanut butter, jam butter, whatever. But this is how you do it. And even if you don't track your calories, just know what you're doing. If let's just say you would have 2 or 3 times as much butter as I did on my crumpets, that could be a reason you may not be losing weight, because right there is nearly 300 calories of butter on your crumpets. So this whole thing, so that 1, 2, 50, I'll put it on the screen. I've got no idea how many calories altogether, but it's probably about 450 calories, I would say. And that's how you do it, guys. That's the easy, simple breakfast. Give it a try. Let me know. If you want me to make more of these types of videos, leave a comment down below, because I make some stuff. I'm not sure whether or not you're interested in this or not. But if you are, let me know and I'll make it. All good?